What's going on, guys? It's Cameron from Westin Automotive and Super Winch, and I'm here today to talk about a cool new product that we've developed for the newer generation Broncos, and that's our XTS pinch weld cover. The XTS pinch weld cover we developed because when you go ahead and remove your factory sliders or steps to replace them with an aftermarket set of sliders or steps, usually the pinch weld cover is just left there exposed and it looks a little unsightly. So this kit goes directly over the pinch weld cover, covers it up, and cleans the area up nicely. These are made out of 16 gauge steel and they are black powder coated. Like I said, we've got them for the 2-door and the 4-door Broncos, and they're available on the website now. So for some more information, go ahead and visit westinautomotive.com.